Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day to everyone. This is the first lecture for EPF3108 Mass and Energy Balances. And for this course, there are two lecturers who are going to be in charge. The first group will be taught by Dr. Faika Sazia Muhammad Saleh, and the second group will be taught by me, Dr. Muhammad Zuhair bin Muhammad Noor. And if you refer to the SMP system, you will find that the timetable for this course is on Monday 12 to 1 p.m. and Thursday from 9 to 11 a.m. So for this first lecture, basically will introduce about the course, where this course is about the basic principle of calculation in process and food engineering, and it will covers the basic concept, the use of various process variables and balance calculation related to food processing. In terms of the content of the course, well, it can be divided into 4 subtopic, where the first few weeks you are going to learn about the unit conversions, such as the conversion of SI unit to English units and so on, and then you will move to process variables such as temperature, pressure, concentrations and so on, before you will learn the main part of the course, which is the mass balance and energy balance. And basically this course is the fundamental course that you need to understand first before you are going to learn more advanced courses such as thermodynamics, mass and energy transfers and so on in the subsequent semester. I'm going to start by highlighting the course outcomes of this subject, where we expect at the end of the course, the student will be able to demonstrate mass transfer and energy balance in a system, and also the student will be able to solve conversion of unit and dimensions, and lastly the student will be able to explain process variables. So these are the expectation out of this course. In terms of the program outcomes, these are the outcome that we are going to assess within this subject, where the program outcome assessed in this course are program outcome number 1, number 2 and number 11. So program outcome number 1 is to apply knowledge of mathematics, science, engineering fundamentals and engineering specialization to the solution of complex engineering problem. So basically this is just to apply the mathematics, science and engineering theory to any kind of complex engineering problem. And program outcome number 2 is to identify, formulate research literature and analyze complex engineering problems, reaching substantiate conclusion using the first principle of mathematics, natural sciences and engineering sciences. So it's kind of like relate to PO1. However, in PO2 is an extension of the application of all the principle of mathematics, science and engineering in order to solve complex engineering problem. And we also will need to assess you in terms of program outcome number 11, which is the function effectively as an individual and as a member or leader in diverse teams and in multidisciplinary setting. And if you were to refer back to the briefing given by the academic coordinator, why we have to come up with all these program outcome is because to assess you as an overall student, and this is what been required by for us to achieve the accreditation given by the engineering council. So that's why for PO number 1 and PO 2 we will assess you based on your performance in test 1, test 2, assignment and final exam, because more or less it's about the cognitive domain, which is your brain. And for PO number 11, we are going to assess you in terms of a group project, where we want to see are you be able to work individually and as a team members. And because this semester is a bit special, so we are going to conduct the class fully online, and also the test and the exam will be also online. However, in terms of the class arrangement, most of the time the lectures will be done through recorded videos. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to record the video first and then upload it in the Putra Blast every week, so you are free to watch the video at your own leisure time. However, you should watch the video within the week that I uploaded, and you can open the Putra Blast through this link, learninghub.upm.edu.my blastdk.my, and I try to open it now. So this is going to be you are going to open something like this, and then go to Putra Blast on campus. Choose on campus, and then you have to fill in your ID as well as your password before you can get something like this, and then choose this course, which is the EPF3108. For you, you might have a few boxes here according to how many subject you are taking in this semester, but this one, if you were to refer to this course, just click EPF3108, where in here there are few things. I haven't upload many things yet. However, inshallah I will upload later. However, here you can get all the lectures note from introduction, unit dimension, and so on. I will upload later, and also I will include the video in this section too. And then after that, you are going to submit all the weekly exercise in this section, and then I'm going to create another section for assignments and so on. So everything will be included in this Putra Blast page. Everything, all the information that you need, you can get it from Putra Blast. So I really encourage you to open the Putra Blast every single day in order for you to get updated with all the information about all the courses you are taking this semester. So that's about the Putra Blast. And beside the recorded classes, recorded videos, from time to time I also will organize a real-time online classes, where mostly when we are ready to do a lot of exercises and examples and so on, I will inform you earlier, where we will conduct it by using maybe Zoom or WebEx. In terms of the course assessment, there are few assessment that I will do in terms of the assignment, quizzes, group project, test 1 and test 2, and this represents 60% of the total marks, where the final examination will represent 40%. So in total, these are 100%. And you can see here I also include group project, which later will be updated by me. For the time being, just focus on the videos that I will upload from time to time. In terms of the attendance, by considering that this is an online classes, according to the Universities and University Colleges Act 1971, AUKU, student only eligible to sit for the final exam if his or her class attendance is more than 80%. That means you need to attend the classes more than 80% in order for you to sit for the final exam. Or if your attendance is less than 80%, I have the power to ask you to leave, or I will ask you to not taking the final exam. And because this is an online classes, so the attendance will be marked based on your weekly exercises submission in Putra Blast. Because I also don't know whether you watch my video or not, but the most important thing in order for me to indicate whether you attend my classes is based on your submission of the weekly exercises. What you need to do, you need to try all the example or exercises given in the lectures video. So in every single video that I uploaded, there will be example given or exercises given. So and it will come with some with answers. So what you need to do is just to write them down on a piece of paper. It's just to give you some experience and practices and so on. And then after you write them on a piece of paper, you need to scan them in PDF. and you have a duration of 1 week to upload the scanned PDF on the exercises in Putra Blast. So I want you to upload it in Putra Blast in this section, where every week I'm going to add exercise week 1, exercise week 2, and so on. So if you choose this, and then you will upload your PDF scan here. And if you fail to upload it, I consider that you did not attend my class. So if you fail to attend the class for more than 80%, then you may not sit for the final exam. And one of the thing that I can give you some tip, if you want to scan your PDF, you can try use cam scanner. This is your in the smartphone. What you can do is just go to Google Apps and find cam scanner, and then download it. You can it's really easy to use in order for you to convert your picture or the one that you want to take into PDF file, and then upload it in the Putra Blast here. So that's about it, and these are the textbooks that I refer to in order for me to prepare my notes. We have 5 textbooks here. I don't know for the time being because you are not in campus, otherwise you can borrow this in the library. However, it's good for you to have this reference book in order for you to get more information about the topic that I will teach in the classes. And that's about the introduction session for this course. And as for ice breaking session now, because not only I did not get an opportunity to meet you guys and to get to know more about you, even you and your colleague did not really know each other. So what we can do is to do some ice breaking. So what you need to do is go to the Padlet website here. You can go to this link, and then from this link I want you to put your full name and student ID and upload your introductory video about yourself. The video should contain an introduction about yourself, what you know about food engineering, and what is your expectation of this course. Okay, the video is I expect the video will be around 30 seconds, because Padlet is if the video is too long, maybe you cannot upload it in the Padlet. So I'm going to show you how this is the Padlet page, where what you need to do, you need to click this plus button, and then just type in your name. Let's say Zuhair, your full name, and then your matric number 119809, let's say. Okay, and then you can upload your video here. You can go to pick file or something like that and upload it here, and then maybe you can write something here too. Hi everyone. Okay, once you finish it, just like that. So it's really easy, and I think this is one of the way for all of us to get to know more about each other, especially because we don't get a chance to meet each other in person. So this is one of the way to do it. So I really hope that you're going to do it during the first week of this lecture. So that's about it. I really hope that we are going to have a lot of fun learning this course, because this is a very basic course, and it's also will give you more idea about the advanced courses in the future. So that's all from me. Thank you. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.